Hi guys, I'm in Delhi today, JMD Mall में और आपको मैं बहुत interesting silver jewelry दिखाने वाला हूँ. Look at this store. It's IAMA. That's how you pronounce it most probably. And I'm going to meet Miss Rithika G today. She's the owner of the store. And she has some really, really beautiful designs and really good-looking silver jewelry. Look at this. We talk about all these stones online, Gemrishi के अंदर. और आप देख सकते हैं कि beautiful amethyst, rose quartz, aquamarine, and some nice stones are there. So Ritika ji, आप बताइए आपने कैसे ये venture start किया and it will be so awesome to know about all the details.
Thank you so much. So my love for gemstones, yes, has made me really start this whole venture. In diamond jewelry, we use very tiny stones and very specific, just 3-4 stones. So, but there are loads of stones available in India. So that's how my love for gemstones made me start this venture. And also silver jewelry somehow became very boring for me.
Right.
You know, what we've been doing for years. So something new what I wanted to create. We are here.
But this is all silver, पूरा silver के अंदर है.
Pura silver
92.5.
on hallmark
Very good.
and all natural stones. So let me introduce you to this necklace. This is in rose quartz. That's Amazonite. That's mother of pearl, rose quartz again, and amethyst lace.
तो all these stones are certified कि आप जहाँ से भी इसको source से खरीदते हैं all.
Yes, they are all natural gemstones and they're all certified pieces. And they're all hallmark pieces as well. So yes, and like you have on your channel, they all the gemstones have good, they give out radiations, they give out healing properties. So it adds to the piece that you're getting.
Right. So दोस्तों मेरा नाम ऋषि वर्मा है और मैं एक 5th generation jeweler हूँ. And let me tell you कि आज मैं पहली बार किसी के स्टोर पे जाके ज्वेलरी रिव्यू कर रहा हूँ. As you know, we have 2-3 stores, one in Shimla and another one in Ambala. But I love this jewelry. बहुत ही beautiful silver jewelry है. And अगर आपको एक खरीदनी है silver jewelry तो नीचे description के अंदर सारी details दी गई है. You can call Ritika ji directly and she will give you the best prices possible. Wait, hold on. मैं आपको और थोड़े से pieces दिखाने वाला हूँ जो बहुत beautiful है और उनके प्राइजेस भी बताने वाला हूँ साथ में. तो दिखाइए रितिका जी और क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं आपके पास. शो मी सम रियली ब्यूटीफुल डिजाइन, सम ऑफ योर बेस्ट सेलर्स.
So this is a bracelet.
यस.
This is for 33,000.
33,000. ओके.
This is a bracelet.
हमारे व्यूअर्स को डिस्काउंट तो मिलने वाला है ना. ग्रेट.
This is an opal.
वाओ, दिस इज ब्यूटीफul. बहुत सुंदर
Rose
है ये.
quartz. It's a beautiful bracelet. And has we could anyways convert it into a choker anytime one feels like. That's a rose quartz as well. This has the dendrite.
तो मैंने सुना था कि आप एक डिजाइन को सिर्फ एक बार ही बनाते हैं and you don't repeat the design.
Yes, that is our forte here. So we really put a lot of effort to one design and we want the exclusivity for our customers so that when they wear it, even if 10 people have bought from us,
Right.
they're always standing out in the crowd. And that's what everybody wants these days.
राइट. सो वो हमारे कस्टमर्स और कौन कौन आपके HNI क्लाइंट्स हैं, क्योंकि ये ज्वेलरी जो हर किसी के लिए तो नहीं बनी. एंड आई पर्टिकुलरली फील कि इसको जो पहनता होगा वो कोई महारानी से कम तो होता नहीं होगा. सो लेट मी आस्क, कौन से किस कैटेगरी के क्लाइंट्स हैं जो ये ज्वेलरी पहनते हैं, बिकॉज ये बहुत ही एलीट ज्वेलरी है, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्टफ.
So it's a lot of HNI clients, people who really want to wear something different from the crowd. But of course, we are opening up to very new clients from around. People who are getting the awareness of our brand, are wanting to explore, are wanting to wear statement pieces. And a lot of exporters as well who have European buyers, who have American buyers and who want to gift something very different made from India.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
तो आपका कैसे एक्सपीरियंस शुरू हुआ? सॉरी गाइज, अभी हम थोड़ा सा टाइम और जान लेते हैं कि रितिका जी ने क्या क्या किया और कहाँ से ज्वेलरी सीखी इतनी ब्यूटीफुल बनानी. एंड देन वी मूव ऑन टू दी प्राइजेज एंड सम मोर डिजाइंस. हाँ जी, सो बताइए, वेयर हैव यू स्टार्टेड एंड हाउ हैव यू स्टार्टेड? कहाँ से आपने ज्वेलरी बनानी सीखी? I've heard some good things.
So I started this the silver jewelry journey 7 years back. Otherwise, I started my jewelry journey more than 20 years back from precious jewelry. So I studied from JDTI in Noida, which is which was a manufacturing unit converted.
And you draw really well. आप बहुत beautiful drawing करते हैं.
Thank you. And so we learned how to manufacture jewelry by ourselves. So it was a good 2 years course, which brought me even more closer to jewelry. So yeah, it started around 20, 25, 22 years back. So I've not stopped.
Great. Very nice. Very nice. So show me this earring. ये बहुत सुंदर लग रही है देखने में. Look at that. It's beautiful. क्या प्राइस होगा रितिका जी इसका? And कौन से gemstones लगे हुए हैं इसके अंदर?
It's around 24,000. That has rose quartz. It has a baroque pearl, smoky quartz, and rose quartz drop again.
Very nice.
It's a beautiful contemporary design, very versatile.
And if I go to these earrings,
Again, rose quartz, baroque pearls, and smoky quartz.
right, बहुत सुंदर है. And this one, ये open लगा हुआ है.
It's good है, and rose quartz है, natural pearl है.
And नीचे भी drops, Scotch की drops हैं. Very nice. And इसी का ही
Yeah,
ये necklace है.
necklace है. That's an amethyst lace. That's an Amazonite.
आप दिखाएंगे कैसा box कैसे दिखता है when कोई भी order करेगा तो how will they get the delivery?
So we have a beautiful packaging here. So this is Iyama jewels.
Oh, Iyama jewels. I think I pronounced it wrong.
We get that every time. So we give you a care card, and I would be writing what all natural gemstones you would be receiving over here, because they are new gemstones. So awareness needs to be there that what you're buying. So it's going to have all details of what you're buying.
Beautiful. Can I see the necklaces behind? ये जो पीछे लगे हुए हैं. I've heard when I came to the store आपने मुझे बताया था कि ये वाला particular necklace आप पिछले 8-10 साल से डिजाइन कर रहे हैं. And some designer is doing similar stuff.
Yes, Sabyasachi has started using dendrite.
Dendrite, yeah.
Dalmatian jasper.
This is Dalmatian jasper. Wow, very beautiful.
Beautiful stone.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
This call it as a very tribal collection.
How is it priced again?
Yeah.
Approximately.
This is around 42,000. It's a
Don't worry, आपको डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा अगर कुछ चाहिए. So you don't have to worry at all. Just say Jamrishi से contact मिला है and she'll give you a good discount.
So this is a beautiful pendant, and we don't repeat our design. So if you get this one, the new piece would be very different. Another piece would be very different.
Great. Very nice. Can I see those answers as well? Okay. Great.
That's lemon quartz.
Oh, this is lemon quartz. Okay. And this is also very beautiful. So guys, अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए, I recommend they have a very beautiful collection. So right now, just hit the button below. Description में जाइए, contact number लीजिए, and come here or get in touch with her. She will send you some more designs, and you can order by the comfort of your home as well. Thank you very much. Namaste. और दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आ रही है तो आप अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली को ये फॉरवर्ड भी कर सकते हैं और उनको भी रिकमेंडेशन दे सकते हैं. थैंक यू.